If you're choosing between Proton and Tuta, this isn't just secure email versus secure email. It's privacy ecosystem versus privacy-first simplicity. So, which one actually has legit privacy? Let's break it down. Proton Mail has become one of the biggest names in privacy-focused email. It offers end-to-end encryption, open source apps, and a growing ecosystem that includes VPN, cloud storage, password management, and more. For many users, Proton is attractive because you can get most of your privacy tools from one provider. But here's the catch. Some features, storage, and custom domains require paid plans, and the platform has become more complex as the ecosystem has grown. Tuta Mail takes a more focused approach. Its entire platform is built around privacy, encrypted communication, and minimizing data collection. Tuta also encrypts more mailbox metadata than many competitors and keeps the experience relatively simple. The downside is that its ecosystem is smaller, with fewer extra services and integrations than Proton. So the real difference is this. Proton helps you replace multiple online services, while Tuta focuses on providing a highly private email experience. So, which one actually has legit privacy? Choose Proton Mail if you want strong privacy plus an ecosystem of VPN, cloud storage, and other tools. Choose Tuta Mail if you want a simpler service focused almost entirely on secure email and privacy. Bottom line, both Proton and Tuta offer legitimate privacy protections, open source clients, and encrypted email that goes far beyond mainstream providers. For most people, Proton is a more practical choice because of its larger ecosystem and polished experience. But if your only priority is private email with minimal distractions, Tuta is an excellent alternative and arguably the more focused privacy product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.